Hey everybody, how you doing? Got a video here for you today. I'm going to be unboxing the rose gold Zippo. I got this package from Zippo.ca. I ordered this on Wednesday. Today is Friday. It came in this afternoon. That was one of the fastest deliveries I've ever gotten, so I got to give kudos to that. But one thing I didn't like is they left it in my front door, and you know, anything could have happened to that. And, I didn't sign for it. Usually when I get something delivered, to sign for it and this and that, but whatever. So this is what I got. They give you this free when you have a order over $75. They give you a can of butane and a can of fluid for completely free. So I will now be taking those out and placing them where they need to be with all my extras. Sorry, I got a bunch of cans up here. Now, that's out of the way. You're also going to be seeing probably a bunch of pipe inserts. These were cheap, and I ordered them because, you know what, you get a bunch of parts for them anyways. I can do things with these. I'll probably be plating them and, giving away a few as a raffle or draw, or you know what I mean? Something for the channel, right? I'll be giving these away. So that's why I ordered 5 pipe inserts, and everyone seems to be interested in them, and everyone seems to like them. So these are for everybody. That's why I got 5 of them. So now we have one last thing to open, and we're gonna be going into a discussion about this Zippo and what rose gold is and everything like that. But so I'm not keeping you waiting anymore. Let's just get right to it. Boom, love this Zippo. So everybody, what you're gonna want to do, and what I always do, you don't have to do this. That's a great looking Zippo. I've already opened it and touched it. That's the smudges. It didn't come. This was actually perfect when it came in. But I did take it out and I checked it out. So, H 2020. So, August 2020. So, the first thing I do is I get that price tag sticker off. Hold on. This one's on here pretty good. This one's on there pretty hard. Hard to grip. Trying to do this without ruining the finish. Alright, so you take that. I always put it right there as a reminder for what I paid for it. And then I take the sticker off the back. Sticker usually comes off a little better. There, that shouldn't come off. There we go. Beautiful. And then I also put the sticker on here too. I usually actually don't put it on the paper. I usually put it on the cardboard. I take the paper out, put it on the cardboard, put the paper back on top. Didn't that time. Don't really care. Alright, so there's a little bit of glue on there. That's fine. That'll just come off. That'll just come off with rubbing alcohol. Or some lens cleaner. Actually, I got some right here. Got some lens cleaner right here. It's just a little gunk left over from the sticker. Not a big deal. Alright, and it's gone. Oh, this rag I'm wiping with is junk. Hold on. Alright, so I touched it with a crappier rag and whatever, it does what it is. But anyways, so let's get back to the Zippo. Sorry about that, maybe I'll edit that out. So there's a sticker mark on the back. I hate this, man. It's like, as soon as you touch this thing, look at all the prints you put on it. Insert wasn't in all the way. Listen to that. Wasn't opening right. Oh, look, you could see the plating, the discoloring that happened from the rose gold plating on the brass on the inside. Well, let's see what we got for an insert. Oh, she's in there tight. Oh, K20. So what's that? November November 2020 in an H2020 case. So August and November. Oof, that case, that insert doesn't fit in there right. So when you get another new Zippo, another thing you'll want to do. Oof, man, that is in there tight. It's probably because of the plating. What I always do, I'm not going to be using this insert, so I'm just going to take the flint out. I'm just going to take the flint out right away, because I'm just going to be putting this Zippo away. I'm not really going to use this one. And I got a bag of flints here. When Zippo sent me repairs one day, they sent me a bag full of flints. This is the actual bag that Zippo sent, full of flints. You can request a few extra flints too, guys. When you send your Zippo in for repair, they will give you a few extra flints. That's how I got these ones here in this bag. This is what they came in. So I'll just put that in my extra flints bag. That's what I do with all that. But I'm assuming because of the plating, this thing is fitting in here really tight. It'll take some wearing and tearing of sliding it in and out. But I've already gotten fingerprints all over this Zippo. Really like it. Nice gold-plated Zippo. Now the rose gold. Rose gold, it's what it actually is, okay? You can't get pure rose gold. Like, the best you can do is like 18 karat. And the way rose gold works is it's 75% gold. It's 75% gold, 22.5% copper, 2% silver, and 0.5% alloy. Now, those mixes may vary where you go and what country or side of the world you're in, but that's basically the rough thing for it. Now, apparently, too, these are not supposed to tarnish. The rose gold Zippos are not supposed to tarnish. They will not tarnish or wear like how copper will. The gold is for... because the gold doesn't tarnish, right? So the gold will make it not tarnish. Now, I know you're thinking, well, copper and silver's in there and it tarnishes. But I think the way, because it's 75% gold, it won't tarnish. And then the other percent copper is just for the color change. And then the silver is for the luster and like the shine. And then the alloys for the durability of the scratch resistance or whatever. This will scratch, obviously. So you do have to be careful. But even though I put some marks on it, it's still not bad. That will wipe off. I just need to use my cleaner. I don't have any right here. I was using lens cleaner. It's probably not the best. But yeah, so that's the rose gold Zippo. I have to admit, I really like this. I only ordered one, so I'm really thinking I'm going to order one or two more. I just like this rose gold Zippo, and eventually I don't have the setup for it right now, and I don't have all the stuff. It is very expensive, but eventually I do want to do a rose gold insert for this rose gold Zippo. But I also think that this Zippo would look really good with just a gold plated insert, not even rose gold. You open it up and it's the gold inside. I'd really like that too. I think that would look sharp. But I do really like this Zippo. And maybe that's why I want to order another one, so I could put it away and use this as an everyday user for a while. I don't know. I do like to switch out my Zippos and change them from everyday users and things. So everybody, that's the difference in rose gold, and that's what the rose gold Zippo looks like. I really like it. This is probably the better one to buy. They have one that says Zippo on the bottom, but you got to pay an extra $15 for that one. I'm not paying an extra $15 just because it says Zippo on the bottom. So, but enjoy the video, guys. I got way more to come, and take care.